now that you have seen some basic examples, I'm going to show you how to search for repositories without searching for users and owners of the codes first. And I'm also going to show you how to load previews on demand instead of having previews that load automatically. So let me show you first the variable for consult gh preview key. By default, this variable is set to any, but in this case, I change it to meta O. So that would be the key binding that I can hit when I want to load repositories on demand. So let's take a look at how that works. So I'm going to do meta X consult gh search for repos this time. And let's search for a repository like, okay, Oxhugo. Okay, here I have a bunch of candidates, and as you may notice, when I scroll over them and put my cursor on top, I don't really see the buffer, the preview buffer loading automatically like what we saw in the previous video. But if I want to see a preview of this repository, I can hit meta O, and that loads the README file in org format for me, and I can switch to that buffer and read through this README. All right, now let me cancel this search, go back to my dashboard. The other thing that I would like to show you here is if I run that same command again, consult gh search repos, you notice that Oxhugo that I searched for is now remembered from last time. So if I now search for another package, let's say Vertico, um, and let's also take a look at the preview for that one. Okay, and then cancel. And if I run this again, you can see that Vertico is remembered again. So consult GL keeps a list of the repos and also users and accounts that you search for. So if you frequently keep looking for the same repositories and users, you will end up with a list, with a short list of the accounts and repositories that you're interested in, and you can just fill them again with completion in the mini buffer.